No, even though this looks like a cloudy day and they're predicting some bad weather coming in a couple hours, I may be able to sneak an hour of riding in. You never really know. Predicting winter weather coming in about 2 hours. Winter weather, can you imagine? Lakes up here are still frozen, still frozen. very interesting ride, and we did beat the winter weather, which is always amazing. Now, I learned something really significant today about our radar detector. See, I have a mount out here where I can mount it because I was afraid the carbon fiber windshield was going to block the signal. Doesn't seem. I'd several times where there was a car coming at me, a police car that was shooting radar, and it seems to pick it up just the same as if you had a plastic windshield. I guess glass, I don't know. Anyway, that's proven to be a good thing. And I know the lovely Mrs. Ertnowski is going to be making me. The lovely Mrs. Ertnowski's got hot coffee. Yes! Make it extra hot, extra strong. It was cold. It's supposed to snow a half hour from now.
Please bring the groceries in.
Okay, I'll get the groceries. We beat the winter weather. Winter weather advisory. Oh my gosh. And the seat worked out great. The seat couldn't be any better. Well, I'm just so happy to get a ride this time of year. Just so happy to have a cup of coffee. Anyway, hope you enjoyed sharing it. And all I can say is I'm headed in for that coffee right now. And thanks for watching. So here I am. I get back from a fun ride today. I have a cup of coffee with Karen, and she yells out to me, "Hey, look outside!" Boy, did we get back in time. She's right. Wow. I guess we did get back. I guess that winter, when I was riding out on Route 80, I saw winter weather warning advisory. I guess they weren't lying. But anyway, the rarest of rare things that we beat the system today instead of it beating us. Again, thanks for watching. Well, you couldn't be any luckier than this.